Hi, monkey friends. It's me, Mrs. Gilardi, and I'm so glad you stopped back in the spelling room. This week we have 12 new words, 12 of them, and they have different beginning sounds. They have the TH digraph, the WH digraph. Now that's when that H is silent. It's still the W sound, but that H is silent. And then we have words that begin with H all by itself. All right, so let's take a look at some of those words. I went on to Spelling City and I was able to print up these flashcards. You know what flashcards are? Miss Summers prints them up for you every single week. You should be cutting them out and practicing your sight words with them. So these are flashcards. Plus, Miss Aubrey does the same thing. She prints out your math facts and she gives them out to you every couple of weeks so that you can practice your math facts. And so we're going to try it with your spelling words, okay? All right, let me see. There's a little bit too much light here. There we go. All right, boys and girls, our first word is thin. Thin, T-H-I-N. That means very slim or not very wide. A thin piece of paper can slip under the door. Thin, that's our first word. So look at the beginning sound, or look at the beginning spelling. T-H, that's right. All right, our next word is thud. T-H-U-D, thud. Now I think you've had this word before, and thud is, remember, like when you drop something and it makes a banging sound, a deep bang sound, that's a thud, T-H-U-D, thud. It's a heavy object dropping sound. Our next word is his, H-I-S, his. Doesn't belong to you, that's his. That's the definition of his, belonging to him. Okay. And that's H all by itself. Our next word is when, W-H-E-N. Remember that silent H is there, but remember when you're spelling it, you need that W-H-E-N. And there's no words on your list that just begin with W. They're all W-H. So remember that when you're taking your test on Friday. When, what time? That's what when means, what time? Okay, our next word is thing, T-H-I-N-G, thing. It's an item, it's an object, it's a noun. What? What is it? If it answers the question what, it could be a thing, okay? All right, our next word is which, W-H-I-C-H. Again, that silent H right here, it follows that W, and it's W-H-I-C-H, two H's in there. One you can hear the digraph, one you can't, okay? Which, what one? That's what that means, what one? Okay, we have another word, and this is with the TH digraph, then, at what time? Those days, that time, then, right. All right, we have another word. This one is just an H word. Her, the female about who you're talking. So if you're talking about her, it's the she, the girl that you're talking about, her, H-E-R. We have another TH digraph, that, T-H-A-T, it's part of the at family, but remember that sound TH and then the A-T. And it's referring to something or someone, that over there. That's the word that. All right, here we go. H-A-T, hat. Now this is a word that we've had before on one of our lists, a couple of our lists actually. And it begins with just the letter H, and we have the at family word again. So be careful spelling this. You've been doing it for a while, so make sure you do it right. Our next word is what. What? Remember that silent H is there, so be careful with it. And it has that AT at the end, but it doesn't make that at sound. What? What? Which thing or which idea? What? What are you talking about? Okay. And another question word here, why? W-H-Y. Now, the H is silent again. Don't forget it. It's going to be in every W word on our list. And why is the reason? Why did you do that? Tell me the reason. Why? So those are our words for this week. Now, let's take a look at the paper that you're going to be sorting them on. We have TH, WH, and H. Now, look down here. It says, did you notice that each of the words on the list has an H in there? That's right. Every word on the list has an H. So make sure when you're spelling them, you got that H. All right. So you're going to cut out your words. Here's your sort right here. You can rip this paper out and then just cut these words out. And remember, you need 3 things to do this lesson. You need your scissors, your pencil, and your glue stick. You're going to cut out these words nice and neat on the lines. Then you're going to sort the words. You're going to look at the headings. And remember, we have 3 headings this week. We have TH, WH, and plain old H. And you're going to glue them underneath the right beginning spelling. Okay? All right. So you're going to cut them out. You're going to sort them. Practice reading them as you sort them. And then before you paste them down, double check them one last time. And the first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. So don't forget to put your name on this paper right here so your teacher knows that you did your work. All right, guys, I will see you back here tomorrow. I'm so excited that you're back, and I'm hoping that you all had a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.